Now, with Bybit TradFi, you can trade more than 300 pairs listed on the Bybit TradFi platform, and these include metals, stocks, forex, indices, and commodities. And the best part, what I personally love, is that by default, you have the zero fee mode, which is what is the default setup if you activate this and start using it. And the other thing is tight spread mode, and these are what every trader out there is looking for, most especially if you do a lot of volume. And in this video tutorial, I'm walking you step by step on how to trade forex or commodities or stocks, even if you want to trade gold using the Bybit platform. So one thing I love here is that it is easier for me. If I want to invest in stocks on the spot market, it is easier for me to do that. If I want to invest in crypto on the spot market, or I want to trade futures, or I want to trade perpetual contract, whatever it is, even option trading, I can do all of that inside the Bybit platform using just USDT in my account. And the best part is, if I want to withdraw this money to my bank account, it is equally easier. I just need to go to the Bybit P2P, and I can easily swap my USDT into my bank account, or swap my Naira back to USDT and fund my Bybit account, and I can use it to trade any market of my choice. But in this video, we are just focusing on the Bybit forex trading option, which is using the TradFi. Everything you need to do with TradFi is what I'll be showing you in this video. So the first thing you need is a Bybit account. If you don't have an account already, you can use the link in my bio, the link in the video description, to sign up for an account. If you are going to be downloading the Bybit app from the App Store or your Play Store, all you just need, where it says referral, make sure you add digital there, and that gives you access to getting over $30,000 in rewards when you start using the platform. So once you create your account, I'm doing this walkthrough using the web version. If you want me to do it on the mobile app, let me know in the comment section and I'll create that video for you as well. So once you log into your account, make sure you go to this option that says trade, and once you click on trade, scroll down here until you see the option that says TradFi. So here, once you see TradFi, you can see that we have access to all of this. We can trade metals, we can trade stock, indices, forex, and commodities. And under the metals, let's say we want to trade, let's say gold, silver, whatever it is, you can just go ahead. Let's say we want to trade silver, we'll just go ahead and select it, and that will bring us to the trading interface. So let me just show you. This is what it looks like, and right here, this is our trading panel. You can see I have funds here already. I will show you how to fund your TradFi account in a moment. And right here we have, now this is the best part, right? If you are trading with other brokers, you have other types like buy stop, buy limit, and sell stop, sell limit, and most people get this confused. But Bybit has only market and trigger option. Now if I want to create a buy stop order, or I want to create a buy limit order, all I just need, the price that I'm putting here will automatically tell Bybit what I'm doing. So if it is a buy stop, the price there will determine what that is. If it is a buy limit, the price I enter here will determine what that is. So Bybit automatically handles all of this on behind the scene for you, and all you just need is just to focus on your trades. And it's easier. If I open multiple trades here and I want to close all of them at the same time, I have this close option right here where it says close. Or even if you have 100 trades, for those of you who stack trades, even if I have hundreds of your trades here, you just click close all, and in less than a second, all of your trades will automatically be closed immediately. So here you have, since we are using the web version, you have your trading view chart right here that you can use to analyze your market, and you have your order book right here. Then down here you have all of this. But one thing I want us to focus right here is how to place a trade. So let's say I want to enter a long trade on silver. I just come to the trading panel right here. If we are going to enter a long trade, definitely it will be on the buy option. If you are going to sell or short, you go to the sell option. So if I come to the buy option, do I want to enter with market order, or I want to enter with limit order? So I just go ahead and select any of this. But before we go further, one thing I want you to take note is right here, once you are here, you can see I am currently on the chart option. Then here is the info. If you click on the info, let's say you want to know what the minimum lot size or the maximum lot size for that particular trade is, you just come down right here. You'll see the spread. You will see minimum lot size right here. For silver, it is 0.01. And then you see the max lot size right here, which is 20. And then you see the max leverage here. Now, this setting right here is not the same for every pair. Some pairs can have their max leverage up to 500. Some can have their lot size, max lot size up to 1,500, and it goes on. So if you just want to know and you are not sure about that, just come in here and check the minimum lot size, and you'll be able to use that. So if I switch back to the chart option, we go back to the trading panel. So with that established, we know that the minimum lot size for silver is 0.01. We just come down here and say, let's go back to that chart again. Let's say I want to buy silver when it comes down to $55. So I'll just come here, and since it's going to be a limit order, I'll just go ahead and put 55 right here, and then leave the value as it is. Go to the lot size size and put 0.01 right here, and this will automatically fill in this value area. And once you do that, just go ahead. If you want to set TP and SL, go ahead and click on this option, then click on the set TP and SL option, and a dialog box will pop up, and right here you can go ahead and add your TP SL option. And once you do that, you click on confirm, then you go ahead and click on the buy option, and that limit will be placed. If you want to enter a trade with market order, you just go to this option right here, and you just put your lot size right here, and you go ahead and click on the buy option. The same thing happens if you want to sell as well. You go to the sell option, you put your lot size, or you go ahead and use the trigger option, and then you put your lot size, and your trade will be placed automatically for you. Then they have this estimated margin calculator right here that you can equally use to calculate what you are risking right here. So for the 0.01 lot size, that's what you see. If I go ahead and put 0.1 and you go ahead and calculate, you will see what you are risking right here. Now, what you want to do is you compare this to your balance. Do you want to risk half of your capital or more than half of your capital in that particular trade? So if that be the case, you can just go ahead and reduce that, the lot size, and you keep calculating until you get what you want. But if you're just starting out, I would just prefer that you always stick with the lowest lot size. Okay. Now, if you enter a trade, if there are limit orders, all of your limit order will be right here on your orders. You can say I have 29 pending orders. Then when they trigger, you see them here, and then all of your completed orders, you see them right here. And here you see all of this option right here. Now, one thing I didn't show you is how to fund your Bybit TradFi account. If you come in here, all you just need to do here where you have balance, if it is showing 0, just click on the plus icon. And once you click on the plus icon, this dialog box pops up. So you transfer either from your unified trading account or from your funding account. Right there, you can select any of the wallet you want to fund, and then you transfer the USDT to your TradFi account. Then if I make money and then I want to withdraw it back to my bank account, all I just need to do is just to go ahead and click on this arrow right here. So this time around, we'll be transferring from TradFi to our funding account, because funding account is where we can easily sell this to our bank account directly. And then I just go ahead and add how much I want to transfer. If it is all, click on all, and then scroll down here and click on confirm, and your funds will be transferred from your TradFi account back to your funding wallet. And from your funding wallet, you can go to your Bybit P2P market and sell it off. All right, so that's basically what I decided to share with you in this video tutorial. I hope you will love this. So instead of jumping from one platform to another, here you convert your dollar, here you convert to this account, or you need to have a US dollar account and all of that. You can do everything using just a singular USDT balance inside of your Bybit account. If you want to trade crypto, you are easily there. If you want to trade Forex, you are there. You want to trade stocks, you are there. Everything is similarly done using the Bybit platform, and the mobile app is available for you to do this on the go. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, give it a thumbs up, share this with others, and if you want to learn more, join us on Telegram. The link to will be in my bio or in the video description. If you have questions or anything you want me to make a video on next, just leave it in the comment section and I will do that for you.